Okay, so once again, good morning, grade 4.
Good morning!
Good morning! Morning.
Okay, good morning pa din tayo. Madilim
Oh,
pa
I
eh.
mean good afternoon.
Okay, good afternoon.
I forgot.
I'm just kidding. Okay, so let's continue with our discussion this morning. So,
Sir, why there's two of you? Oh, that's it.
yan.
No, there's not.
Yung?
Oh,
Okay, so solving routine and non-routine problems involving division. Ayan, so at the end of the lesson, you are expected to solve routine and non-routine problems involving division. So, yung steps ulit natin, we have the UPS or UPC, di ba? UPC,
UP.
PCL. Oops.
School. UPS.
UPCL, di ba?
where?
Pero mali yung nailagay dito. So, understand the problem, plan, solve, and look back. Tama? So, understand the problem. Under understanding the problem, nandiyan si what are the given and what is asked. So, sa plan naman, what operation is to be used? And what is the number sentence? And then, third step is to solve. And then, fourth step is to look back or check. So, let's try to
So
answer.
there is no look back here. Oh, there it is. There.
There
What
is.
page is that?
Okay, so, may I ask, sino ba ang pwede? Okay, Kiran. So, to read our problem.
The advisor and the officer of the student council
Organize.
organize a leadership training and a workshop. There were 315 participants coming from different grades level. There were 21 groups. How many members were there in each group?
Okay, so how many members were there in each group? So, I'll repeat the problem. So, the advisor and the officers of the student council organized a leadership training and a workshop. There were 315 participants coming from different grade levels. Ayan. So if there were 21 groups, how many members were there in each group? So how do we solve the problem? Okay. So let's try
Understand
to
it.
use the 4 steps. So number 1 is to understand the problem. So ano ba yung given dito? We have 315 participants and we have 315 participants and
21
groups. So what is asked? Anong hinahanap natin? How many members were there in each group? So ibig sabihin, ano ang gagamitin nating operation kapag sinabing each group?
Division.
Division.
Division. So what is the number
How are
sentence?
you gonna know it, sir?
Ayun, sabi niya each.
3.
So take note of that, each. So how many members were there in each? Kapag how much naman?
It's 3.
Multiplication.
That is more multiplication or addition, di ba?
Sir, it's 3.
O how many more?
63.
Kapag how many more, that is your subtraction, di ba?
Yes.
So take note of that keywords. Kapag dito naman sa division, each group or each, basta may ganun siya. Okay? So what is the number sentence? We have 315 divided by 21. So 315, there are 315 participants divided by
Stop share screening.
21.
21. Ayan. So there are,
I know the answer.
yes, ang ganda. Pero, let's try to solve it here first. So, 31 and 21 divided by,
It
the answer would be
divide 1.
1. Kasi nga, 21 lang, tama? Then subtract, we can get 10.
Yes, bring down the 5.
Bring down 5. So, 205 divided by 21, that would be
5.
5.
5. So, that would be 105. Subtract 0. Okay. So, the answer is 15. Diba?
Yes.
Ayan. So, therefore, after knowing the steps, the third step would be, ayan, solve. And then, look back. So, check if the solution is correct. So, 21 times 15. The answer would become 315.
315.
Therefore, there are 15 members in each group. Ayun. So, ito. A school organization collected a total amount of membership fee of 986
86 pesos.
If the organization decided to divide the money into 2 equal parts, ibig sabihin, sa dalawa daw. So how much budget is allocated for each? Ma-each ulit tayo. So understand the problem. So ano ang given? We have 986 and 2. Tama?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, so what is asked? The quotient of 986 and 2. Kasi nga, sabi niya dito, how much budget is allocated for each? Kasi nga, yung 986, i-divide daw sa dalawa. Therefore, plan natin, the operation is division, and the number natin will be 986 divided by 2. So, let's try to solve na. Therefore, andun na yung sagot. 986 divided by 2, hatiin lang natin. 9 divided by 2 becomes 4. That is equal to
Yes.
9 minus 8, that would be 1. Bring down 8. 18 divided by 2, that would be 9. Tama? Then
Yes.
9 times 2. Okay. 9 times 2 is 18. So, subtract natin. So,
6.
0. Bring down 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. Therefore, 493. Now, 493 times 2, that would become 982. Tama? So therefore,
Yes,
our answer is
86.
493 is the allotted budget for each. Okay? Kasi yung 986 na yan, dinivide natin sa...
You press the green screen, the green field.
Okay. So let's try to apply our skills. 416 divided by 4.
4 divided by
Ayan. So
41.
using your mental math or your mental division,
Your mind.
the answer would become, without writing, who can tell me the answer?
41.
That would be
5.
18.
That would be,
18.
are you sure? That would be
19.
14. Tama?
Oh.
Mali. Mali. Ilan yan?
4 divided by 41.
No, not 41. Pwede naman sa 4 lang, di ba?
1.
So I'll show you.
It's 1.
416 divided by 4. Ganito lang siya, oh. 416 divided by 4. So 4 and 4, tama?
Yeah.
So there is 1, tama? And
Yes.
dalawang number pa siya, kaya 0 yan. Kasi nga, 4 times 100, that will become 400. Yung kanina, di ba? Ilan pa yung natitira? 16. So plus what number becomes 16? 4. Therefore, the answer is 104.
4.
Using mental math, di ba?
Use your mind.
So, ganun lang siya. 4 divided by 4 is 1. Then, meron tayong dalawang number dito.
Use your
We will
brain
make
in
it
math. Use your
0.
brain in math.
Then, yung 16 na
You can
yan.
use our mind.
Okay. Gets?
You can
Yes.
use
Okay, so let's try the
our...
other one. Ito. So, 2,709 divided by 9. O, yan. Or huwag natin sila ganyan para ma-use tayo sa ganito. Okay, so, keep in mind, 27 and 9. Pwede ba?
No.
Are you sure?
Oh,
No?
yes. Yes.
Yes. That would become 3. Tama?
Yes.
3,000.
That would be,
3,000.
kung dito ka nag-stop, ilan pa yung numbers natin? 2.
Dalawa.
Yes.
0.
To make it,
301.
yes.
309.
Ay,
309 pa? That would become 300 times 9. That would become 2,700. Okay? Ayan. How about 9? So may 9 plus 1, di ba? That would become 301.
1.
That is your
This
mental
is right.
math. Okay?
Use your
Yes.
mind. Yes.
Okay.
Mental math and mind.
Gets na?
Yes. I want
Ayan.
to know. What is
So that
Sunny
is-
eating?
It.
I don't even know.
Okay, so next Monday na lang ito para ano naman.
If I press my screen 2 times, it will what's it called? It will be like this.
Okay, so that's it. So I hope you learned something this afternoon.
Stop in. I love math.
You love math. Okay. So I'll stop this na. Okay, so that's it. So that is the division. Okay. So okay na. Okay na. So I hope you can finish your worksheet na. So you need to finish
Unit
your
not
worksheet na.
drop screen anymore.
Okay, so that's it. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye po, sir. Thank you
Bye, grade
po.
4. Bye-bye.
See you next week.
See you next week. See you next Monday.